This is the story of Pak Pima, also known as Jero Dasaran or Sutri, which ascends to the higher level into a trance state and speaks directly with God. This is a very rare ceremony. It's where certain people select by God can go into a trance-like state and directly communicate with God. Join us on this journey to see the story of Jero Dasaran Pima.
Pura wenten sekadi tegak piodalan.
So let's meet Pak Pima now. He will explain the ascension to God and the trance-like ceremonies. Pim is like a priest, yeah?
Yeah,
Like a,
but little bit high.
but more high than a priest. The normal ones are called like a manku.
It's special for the trance.
Oh,
My ascension.
all right,
My ascension,
all right.
big ascension. Choose me, and then for the life pies in the reality life,
All right,
for communication with the population.
all right, I get
And
it.
then I'm trance communication
All right,
in temple. This one.
all right,
In temple.
all right.
When the big ceremony, some people come to my house, prepare mess, then you can go in this temple, big ceremony, you like testimony this ceremony.
All right,
Then my ascension, trance.
all right. So you yourself go into a trance, yeah?
Yeah.
All right. So,
This
all
is-
right, very interesting.
Big mystery for me.
Yeah, right.
Believe
What,
or
it
not,
just happens, but you don't know, or what?
yeah, we don't know.
All right.
Believe or not believe, this
Yeah.
is real.
Yeah, right. Yeah.
For the life, when I'm trance, normal. I looking the people normal.
All right,
My thing normal too.
right.
But action not can we stop.
All right, I get it.
What the trance, what the ascension do, the action and language speak,
All right,
not can we stop.
all right,
Sometimes I'm shy. What way? But not can we stop.
all right.
This is trance.
Yeah, right.
Big mystery for me.
So you think this is from God or
Yeah, spirit to God.
from the God? All right.
Spirit. Ascension.
Ascension. All right,
Ascension very long year.
all right.
And then he got a big temple in Bali. Do you know temple is in Bali? Lampuya?
Oh, up on the near Mount Agung.
Yeah.
All right.
No. Lampuya. Agung, maybe some people.
All right.
I'm Lampuya.
All right,
There is Karangasam temple.
all right, Karangasam. All right,
This is ascension.
all right.
Kan, like trance. Then what we ask the population.
So then, when you're in the trance, you get the information to
Yeah.
give to the people.
Yeah.
All right, very interesting.
Like translate from spirit to God.
All right, I get it.
This is big mystery.
All right, yeah.
I'm already 3 years.
3 years like that. All right.
When I'm go to temple, I have the special costume,
All right, yeah.
all black. The costume.
All right.
This choose from the spirit, my
All
spirit. All normally the people white.
Yeah, right.
Mangku like fresh,
Yeah.
white. I'm no black.
All right.
This is unique.
All right.
And then I have the many some like the same like me, maybe 20 people.
Oh, there's other people doing it?
Yeah, all from the ascension. See, everyone have the ascension.
Right.
Then trance communication,
Oh, right.
like meeting.
So when you're in trance with other people,
Yeah,
you can talk to them?
Yeah.
Oh, right, I get it.
Communication.
Oh, you're all
yeah.
connected, like
Yeah.
connection.
In the prayers only. Oh, what happened this temple, the ceremony?
Right, I get it.
What we do now, just like this one in the prayers.
All right,
But I'm hard.
all right. Very interesting, yeah.
Yeah, already 3 years.
Mm.
But I know this is from start 15 years.
All right,
My ascension choose me.
all right.
I not little bit believe or not believe, you know.
Oh, you're not sure on it? Yeah, right.
So I'm waiting, and then.
Because I've seen the trance dancers where they have the big Chris knife and they jumping on it and
This is
stuff.
Only like military my ascension.
All right, right.
Security. When I'm trance, my security many do. I want to show you I'm now coming. Then it's
Like that?
This is like the security.
So you do that too, yeah?
No,
Like-
I'm
oh, yeah.
I'm the what is the spirit special the ascension.
All right.
Like God.
Yeah.
Spirit the God.
Because I remember seeing those once. It might have been many years ago when the King of Kuta died, back in the 80s, that big show. And they were doing the trance and they were
This is
stabbing themselves.
security
All right,
from the
all right.
spirit.
Security from the
God,
spirit, yeah, right.
Have the two category.
All right,
One spirit for the like king,
all right,
one like military.
all
like
right,
The security.
all right, I get it. All right,
The security spirit not go to top in the pavilion. But you know the big pavilion.
all right,
The security no in the bottom.
all right, I get it.
My spirit in the
In the
pavilion,
top, yeah,
In the
yeah.
top.
All right. Well, that's very, very interesting, yeah. So, anyway, so Pim the, oh, not monkey, have you got a special name for your?
Yeah.
What's your name?
We now the name Dasaran. Or
Dasaran.
Sutri.
Oh, Sutri, all right.
But the people talk me Jero.
Oh, Jero.
Yeah.
I thought like woman Jero. No.
Yeah, Jero is many Jero.
Oh, many different Jero. Oh.
Jero many category Jero.
Oh, is there? All right, okay.
Mangku, this is Jero too.
All right,
But it said Jero Mangku.
all right, Jero Manko. Oh, yeah, I get it. Yeah.
Then some vegetation. What is it? What is Balian? You know Balian?
Right, yeah.
Medicine.
Yeah, right, yeah, I know.
Said the Jero too.
All right.
But this different.
So there's many different types of
Like,
spiritual leaders. Yeah,
This is special.
Mm.
Like we said Dasaran.
yeah. All right, that's all right. All right. Well, thanks for that information, Pim. Very interesting. Very, very interesting, actually. I've never really had anyone explain to me. I've seen all the ceremonies and that many times, but I've never really had anyone explain to me what it's like. And yeah, very interesting. So sit down, relax, and enjoy this amazing cinematic video on the Ascension.
Diakui atau yang di dasaran-dasaran yang ada setiap ribon di serangan Titiang wantah kesudi pura yang tiang sungsung ring serangan berlanjut yang berstanah utawi sanis wenten sekadi kawitan ring Tegal
Om Swastiastu lan ring Pura Pasek sarang
tegak piodalan toyan utawi pujo wali tidak mungkin harus gede
memargi antar